an angel, my type of woman. Please come to daddy. I'm waiting for you.
Chief.
No, thank you.
Still. It's fine. Hey! Richard. You should learn to take alcohol. Oh yes, it's good for the body. Yes, even your doctor will tell you that the body needs a certain percentage of alcohol. Do your findings. Osi.
Chief.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Straight to the point. I invited you here based on the last conversation you and I had regarding your sister. I want to come with my people for the introduction ceremony of your sister. But I'm not from your place. So I called you two here so that at least you let me know what I will need to do, what I will need to bring, what it entails.
What is it? Chief, I know all the requirements. I came with the list.
I see. Okay. Very intuitive of you, I must say. Okay. What do we have here? Pretty much close to what applies at my place. Difference isn't really much, so this is doable. This is very doable. It's okay. I can work with this. It's fine.
We are one. We are one, but Chief, there is one thing I didn't include there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
What would that be?
Chief, since our father died when we were still very, very young, and our mother has been suffering.
Oh, okay. I thought it was something that we had to put on the list, but it's not. Okay. No. Something you want to tell me?
Yes, our village house. We need to touch up so that it can.
Oh, see. I invited you to my house.
Yes, sir.
Very soon you're going to be my enemy.
Yes, sir.
Relax here. Beautiful. I'm approachable. You can talk to me. Get to the point. We don't have time. Okay.
Chief is our village house.
Yes.
We need to renovate it so that it will match to your own taste. Yeah, Chief.
Well, I see the point you're making. Truth is, I want to be coming alone. I'll be coming with some of my very prestigious friends, and I don't want them to come there and they're somewhat disappointed.
Exactly. I'm thinking ahead now.
I give it to you. You're thinking ahead. What you do is make a rough estimate of.
It's 2 million, sir. 2 million naira. Yes.
It's 2 million.
Yes, sir. 2 million naira.
Are you sure? 2 million will be enough.
2 million naira will be enough, sir. Everything is costly now. Go yife.
It's fine.
Yes, sir.
That's not a problem. See me at the office first thing tomorrow morning. I'll make out a check for 2 million.
2 million naira.
It's settled.
Hey. Pano. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir. Hey.
Bye. Rita. No, I don't take alcohol, so what else can I offer you?
Take alcohol so you get sense.
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please Please come to Daddy. I'm waiting for you. For a long time, I am searching for you. And now I found you. Nobody can take you away from me. I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, if it's an endless proposal, I'll keep on proposing until you say yes to me, until you come home with me. You're my woman, and I swear to God that is final. The love I have for you is no bound. Baby, take my hand and be my wife. I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, if it's an endless proposal, I'll keep on proposing until you say yes to me, until you come home with me. You're my woman, and I swear to God that is final. The love I have for you is no bound. Baby, take my hand and be my wife.
Sun is nice. This is the one I told you that is a bit crowded. It has everything going on at the same time. It has the studs, it just has everything. What was this?
Between this one and this one.
But you know what they say, that less is more. You don't want something quieter.
I like it. Do this.
Sorry. Yes. How? Okay. You know what? Bring him to me in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Sweetheart, you see, I have an important business partner that just showed up. So give me some time to deal with him. I'll get back to you. But the spare office to your right, you can stay there. Wait for me. I'll join you. Don't leave this behind. So you keep going through it. So when I come back to you, just tell me what you've decided. But remember, less is more, baby. Less is more. Less is more. Less is more.
I know you are surprised with my looks. I registered myself as Mr. Simon Pele from Brazil because I knew I was coming to a corporate office.
We agreed. We agreed that I'll never see you again.
I heard you want to get married.
How is that your business?
It's my business and you know it. We took our load. I took you to Gidiga. And that's why I'm not married yet. And we never get married. Why do you then want to break the oath?
Why are you so trapped in the past? What would I have to do to make you accept that I am no longer the man that you used to know? I broke out of that stupid bondage a long time ago.
You cannot break out from that bondage. I took you there. So you can't possibly do that without me. That same oath is what you are still enjoying till today. You're still enjoying the dividend of that oath.
You lie. I've become a new person. I live a life that adds value to humanity. Unlike you. Stuck. Still. Your inglorious past. Jerry, listen to me. I will get married and nothing will happen. From a renewed individual, I have lived life to the highest level, but physically and spiritually.
I agree. I'm a criminal. And I will remain a criminal. You dare not get married without my approval. I think my time is up. Settle me 50 million.
Another joke, Jerry.
You dare not get married without my approval. If you don't do what I ask you to do, I will appear when you least expect, and I will destroy everything, and that will be a national and international disgrace. It's your choice.
You're playing with fire. Fire that will burn you to ashes.
I don't know what this world is turning into. My neighbor's brother, who was kidnapped last 2 weeks, was killed and dumped in a well after collecting the sum of 5 million naira.
What? 5 million naira?
Exactly.
That's wickedness.
Very wicked. But your own case is different. It's about a woman issue. That is why I'm not happy with you, Charles.
What do you mean?
What I mean is that if you had married that girl, you wouldn't have been in this mess by now.
Julius, we've discussed this matter before now, and you're still bringing it back.
Yes, I'm bringing it back because you've not agreed to what we've discussed. You've not agreed to it.
Why are you pretending as if you don't know I lost my job?
Charles, you don't need a job or money to marry a woman. That girl loves you. She truly loves you. Huh? When I married my wife, we were sleeping in the shop. At first, she didn't agree to it. But she had to give in. And we hustled together. Look at us now. Huh? That's what I'm saying, Charles.
But you know that what works for this person might not work for another person.
Why won't it work for you, Charles? Why?
Because our circumstances are not the same.
Charles, I'm not here to argue with you because you've always been like this. Eh? I came to check up on you to know how you're doing and if you're in a good shape. And I have to be leaving right now, okay? Be good. Thank you.
What is it for?
I'm spending the week with you.
That's not what we discussed.
Do we have to discuss it? Are you not my man? Eh? After everything we've shared, please open the boot. Let's go.
What did we share? Seriously? Like, how long have we been together, Juliet? Have you forgotten how you insulted and degraded me as an ordinary PA?
That was just in the past. Eh? I apologized and you are accepted. Look, I've come to fall in love with you and I want us to get married.
Get married?
Yes, get married.
Hey, baby, you're running too fast. Come on.
What do you mean by I'm running too fast? Don't you love me?
See, Juliet, I thought what we had was just a fling. As I'm talking to you right now, the woman I want to marry is right now in my house. She's a lawyer. We have known each other for a year now. I thought she just wanted us to have good time in the hotel.
The woman I want to marry is in my house. She's a lawyer. What am I? Am I a tout? No. Answer. Am I a tout? Look, I'm a beautiful woman that any man should be proud of. I want us to get married. Where was this your woman when we were having a good time? Where was she? Where was the lawyer? Eh? As we speak, looking at me closely, am I only good for a good time? Am I not good for marriage? What are you talking? What are you saying? Eh?
Juliet, I don't have time for drama now. As I'm talking to you now, I have a critical assignment to handle. I have a very critical assignment to do right now. Take this for your transport and go away with your troubles.
Wait, Chelu. Let me count this money. How much is this, Seth? Yeah? How much is this? You are telling me to take it and go away with my trouble. See, you have not even seen trouble. No? You have not seen trouble. The real trouble will come if you don't marry me. That is when you will see trouble. Eh? How much I should take and go with my trouble? This is not enough for my trouble. Let me just tell you. Don't know. Look, you are talking nonsense. Rubbish. The woman I want to marry is a lawyer. What am I? Get man? Talking.
Hello, boss. I have him on target right now. What? Okay, I'll be with you. I'll be with you now.
What is the matter? Yeah, so what's your problem? I have paid you. If I am there or not, does it matter? Well, listen, young lady.
My money expires on Sunday, and until then, you remain where you are. Eat whatever you want to eat. The bill is on me. Yes. Oh, you miss me? Wow, interesting. Okay. You will see me tonight. I think you are happy now. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to get some stuff. Wait, you mean you want to go with me to get the stuff? That means you are trying to cross the red line. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tonight. Bye.
I had a hunch. I had a hunch. I had a hunch, Smart, and my hunch never fails. Jerry knows that he's a target. Yet he goes around town without any kind of protection. He lives his life just as normal. Drives the same cars. Goes about his business without any form of disguise. That son of the devil is up to something. You know, something tells me that if he's attacked violently, the purpose for all of this would come to the surface.
You are too much, boss. That's why I call you a masquerade.
We've got to come up with a plan, Smart. A plan that is foolproof. For he must die. He must die. That man is not going to stand in the way of everything that I have worked for all these years. Jerry will not stand in the way of my progress.
No, boss. He dares not.
We'll have to get to work. And very fast too. All of this has to happen before next month. Before the introduction ceremony of my wife to me. Do you hear me?
Okay, boss.
Speaking of marriage, you mentioned to me that your sister is getting married.
Yes, boss.
We'll get to the office tomorrow. I'll make out a check for 5 million naira.
Wow!
That's my gift to the family.
Wow! Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's fine, Smart. You have been good. You have been diligent. You have been loyal. And you have kept faith with me. If I do it for others, why can I not do it for my own person? You have been with me every step of the way.
I don't know how to thank you, boss. You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. I don't know what to say. In fact, I can take a bullet for you, boss.
We'll see about that, smart. Huh?
Thank you so much, boss.
Get to work.
Wow. Bye-bye. Charles, what is the meaning of this? Why are you crying? Well, I'm here to invite you to our fellowship. Stop this right here. Talk to me. Did anyone die?
No, my brother, no one died. You remember my schoolmate who I told you about?
Yes.
I was supposed to give me a job in an oil company.
Yes, sir.
He called and he was very angry with me.
Why?
He said he has been trying to reach me for some days now, but my line wasn't going through. I don't know the kind of devil that formatted my phone that they couldn't reach me on the phone. What kind of bad luck is this? Okay. Now I lose my girl, and I also lost the job that I'm supposed to make a living out of it. My only hope.
This is so heartbreaking. I understand how you feel. But listen to me. The Bible says in every situation we should give thanks to God. All things work it out for good. You wouldn't know what God is planning for you.
My brother, I never imagined that my life would turn out so ugly like this. I just feel like ending it. I feel like...
Just stop talking like this. This is the time to go closer to God through prayer and fasting. Hand everything to God. And believe me, everything will be fine. Just give it a try.
Victor, are you sure?
Yes, dear. God has never failed. God is not a man that disappoints. He remains God. Unchangeable and ever faithful God. Where there seems to be no way, He makes a way. See, at least in a week you fast and your situation will change. Believe me, just give it a try.
Baby.
My baby,
Rock,
you're so sweet.
Rock it,
I'm in love with you, baby.
For real, tomato juice.
This is Nico.
Hey,
oh my God, you're so handsome. I have something to touch. Baby, you're in love already, right?
Yeah. Hello? Obisco la. Obisco is calling me, yeah. Hey, one naked. I'm fine, my brother. On God. Muliano.
No, I have it now.
Hey.
Normally, I'm a wife material.
Ibugum.
I have everything now.
Ibugum. See me this.
What's wrong with this man now?
What's wrong with you? Yes? Why are you blocking me? Why am I blocking you? Yes. You keke riders are the problem we have in this country. Why can't you engage yourself in something better? Why are you blocking me? You don't know you are right. Are you beating me? Eh? Are you beating me? Eh? Don't try it again. Come on. Carry some for your idiot. I don't come out. You don't come out? Yes. Now you get the road. Don't try it. You won't fight me? Yes. Now me be Osita. Yes. Who are you? Now me be Osita. Are you God? Now you get the road. Carry some for you. Stop slapping me. Carry some for you.
Baby, it's okay now. It's okay.
Are you stupid? Come on, look at that. Get inside.
Hi!
What is it again?
Don't you remember me?
No, I don't think
Yeah,
so.
we flew together days back. Yes! And I tried to strike a conversation, but we were about landed, so we couldn't talk much.
Okay. So, what are you doing here?
I came to pick a parcel I ordered. So I saw you, I'm like, this face again. How I really liked you that day.
Wow.
Why are we standing? Why don't you guys sit down so we can have more talk?
Okay.
Have a drink? So, how have you been?
Okay, you're here. Please, when you get there, talk to him about our father's memorial service. See, we need to give this man a befitting memorial service after your introduction.
Brother,
She's the arrow.
every minute, give me. Can you stop demanding? You don't like it.
What is your problem? Are you the one spending the money? Yeah? Are you the one spending the money? See, this man is rich and he's ready to spend on anything you demand for. I don't know why you're getting it twisted. See, this marriage is not for only you, it's for all of us.
If you like money too much, why don't you go and make your own money? So that you can spend it however you want.
Inanya genti, ampusie inanya. If na muna gade mo fi here. Na woke bugu fire extinguisher. Without mama, will you ever be done? Or without me being a good brother as I am now? Because I know I'm a good brother. Will this marriage work? Maka kwa. Check him now.
You want to extinguish fire with all this your energy? Because it's our in-law now. Let's cut his neck and dig out all the money and finish it. It's not wedding we are doing, it's just introduction. It's not wedding, introduction. You want to swallow the man.
Mita, stop getting me twisted. Just walk with me, walk with me. We need to give this man a befitting memorial service.
Brother, I won't say this. I won't say this twice.
Why you gonna get a move here? Why you got iPhone and Pam much? You know, a beautiful girl like you shouldn't be standing here, under the sun. So why not, hop in? Let me take you where you belong to. My name is Osita. My friends call me Osi$.
I am called Angela.
Oh, angelic voice. Angelic Angela. That's a beautiful name. One more is.
What is the meaning of this? What's going on there?
What's going on? What?
I mean, why are you talking to her? Why are you disgracing me? You left me here to talk to this?
Wait.
For real?
Wait. Didn't I pick you on the street just the same way I'm doing now? Huh?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Oh, you're out.
I'm leaving you.
Okay, that's good.
I won't let you insult me. No man does that to me.
Okay, now. Don't worry, you have your own share very soon, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Mugu,
I'll be needing this for my makeup.
So makeup.
I thought you said you love it thick and big.
Why you
What are you doing with this tiny thing?
Why here?
Confused.
Mugu.
Fool.
I am. Please don't mind what will happen. I am in-law to Chief Dr. Don Ozinze, the CEO of Selling Group of Companies.
Oh my God. You mean that very rich man?
Yes. He's married to my only sister.
Wow.
Yeah.
Then you must be in money.
You can say that again. Okay, so why not, hop in, let me take you around. Like, let me flex you.
No, thank you.
No? Why?
After seeing what you did to that lady, I'm sure by the time I get in here, that's the same thing you're going to do to me. I'm not interested, thank you. Enjoy your ride.
Wow, baby, you are too good, In my history of dating, I've not seen anyone that's shown me this kindness in few days that we just met.
Oh well, maybe because I don't like relationship. But when I go into one, I just give it my all.
Oh yeah, I'm a witness to that. I'm experiencing it already. You're a wonderful girl.
Because I know you're an OD. Like they say, old wines are very sweet.
Wow.
You are sweet.
In fact, I am changing my mind.
On what?
I am getting married to you immediately. Yes.
Really?
I have enough to take care of you. And even if I die, you have enough to inherit, so you have nothing to fear.
Stop it. Listen, well, it sounds like a good proposal, but I have to relax because we still have time.
Okay, if you say so. I don't think I have the time.
Oh, of course you do. Stop it. Stop it.
Yeah, life is good when you have to live life without working. And all you do is enjoy all through your life.
I really love to be like you.
Then stick with me and I'll teach you the game.
I'll stick with you.
Oh wow, nice. Just a second, let me ease myself, okay?
You okay?
Yeah, very okay.
This one is so nice.
Let's try it out.
Try it out. I told
Tastes so
you. Perfect.
Wow, nice.
Awesome. Are you okay? Boom. But Jerry, I am sorry. Man, this is business. 5 million naira is too much to lose. Rest in peace.
If we get this golden kaftan, come on, could go on that day. If we Una follow different me.
Millionaires in-law.
Billionaire because my in-law is a billionaire because the moat is a
billionaire.
Millionaire bu konya bu na 1 million na bank na Zamba.
But I thought this was just an introduction.
It doesn't matter, Chinyere. When there is money, every occasion becomes celebration.
Because tell Chinyere Ada Nuife. Hey, this is good. This is nice.
So when are you people leaving?
Actually, we'll be leaving on Friday. Okay. Yes, guy, where will you chepe? You gotta go so that when we get home, we'll rest a bit. Then Saturday is the actual occasion. Then on Sunday, rich people rest on Sundays. On they are gonna go can roll Sunday. Then on Monday, Anya Oleben will come home in peace without stress. You understand?
Hey, Abigail. Kalekwa.
Oh, Kalekwa.
Okwego ya susulu ayo yiboni.
Una watara adu manguzi di million na ngo. Ebe ngode be mili tap na nguzi flavored water. Ile me na me zam. Tiano ki ngu se water ki ma me ya swazi on. Hey.
Well, I'm so sorry. I won't be able to make it.
Hey!
Abigail.
Okay, your loss, so.
Isn't it? Don't worry. I'll be there live and direct. Yes.
I hope you'll be there in spirit with us.
If not, why not?
Okay, no wahala. Don't worry, When the major occasion comes up, I will sponsor you to the city. And I'll put you in a 5-star hotel. Hey! Ebe nwale jacuzzi. You mean for jacuzzi?
Amarogwam.
Okay, manu nukule ezioku. Don't worry. Brother! Brother!
Is he not inside?
Brother!
But are you inside?
Yes. How are you? I was praying. I was busy. I wasn't expecting you. What happened?
My school went on strike, so I decided to come spend 1 week with you.
It's okay. Come in. Come in.
It is done, boss. Jerry has been liquidated. Are you sure? Yes, boss. Still, I want you to keep an eye on that girl. You see, these so-called professionals turn around and become lousy kidnappers. Smart. We're not going to take chances. Keep an eye on her.
Okay, boss.
Watch your back, man.
Hello, boss.
Smart. Jerry's still alive.
No, boss.
He just called me on the phone.
Oh my God! Come on.
Stephanie.
What's the meaning of this?
You messed with the wrong guy. You forgot who I am and who I represent.
Come on, smart. Go. Please, what are you saying? What's this?
I need all the money or I blow your brains off.
We did a business. I carried my part out, you paid me. You asking me to give you back the money? Are you out of your mind?
You didn't do any job.
Me?
The Jerry of a guy is still alive. He just called my boss.
Oh, no. Stop this joke. Because I personally...
Small girl, you think you are dealing with your fellow amateurs. I replaced your stuff with my tea sugar. Are you surprised? I want to warn you this minute. Keep off. Because the next time I will set my eyes on you, that will lead you to cemetery. This is big boys game and not for amateurs. She thinks she can take my life. Wow. Baby Dawn did not tell her that I'm a cat with 9 lives.
I told you that he's an old fox. But you told me not to worry, that you would fix him. I told you.
I'm sorry, boss. I'm so sorry. I'm shocked.
Now you're sorry. Huh? Now you are sorry. I trusted you. I trusted your intel. I trusted you every step of the way. You made me engage that girl's services, and now she has messed this operation up. See where we are now. Look at us!
Please forgive me. I will still fix Jerry.
You would what? Ha! This boy still don't get it. So sometimes you amaze me. Also, you think he's going to sit down there waiting for you to come and fix him. Ha! Smart. Maybe you're not as smart as your name implies after all. Your name is beginning to confuse you. Go. I'll handle this one myself. Jerry, you are nothing but a small-time criminal. I will come for you. I will fix you myself. Wait for me. I'm coming.
What you can't do here?
Don't you remember me? No, like take a good look at me. You don't remember me? Save yourself the stress. My name is Juliet. My friends call me Julie. You can call me that as well. I've been here before, even though it's been quite a while, you know.
Yeah.
You still don't remember me? Anyways, you were going to do something for me, right? Deliver this letter to your boss for me. Your boss, I mean the chairman himself, the one that pays you your salary. Deliver it to him. It's from my company.
Oh, madam, carry and go give her from your office now.
Do not rough-handle the letter. Hold it properly. This letter could get you sacked.
Hello?
Yes, hold it properly. It's not for official use. It's for his own personal use. But my company instructed that I come here and drop the letter to you and you submit the letter to him. Make sure no one else sees it. Especially that fat, what's it? Mr. Smart. Do not let him come 1 meter close to this letter, otherwise you're fired. Yes.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's okay. So, anyway, you know, I'm a very beautifully generous woman. So I'm going to give you this for your troubles.
Madam.
Take it. I know you like money. Take it. Good boy. So the deal is, the next time you see me at this gate, do not let my driver horn for so long. Open the gate.
No get problem.
Are we clear?
No problem, ma. Once they come, just tell me. I will just open gate for you.
Good. Good. So.
Okay. So I go give Leo.
Do not do that to his company. You mean you don't know the name of your boss's company? Now let me say that later. This is to the chairman, Stallion Group of Companies. Say Stallion.
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 Look at my mouth. Stallion.
Stallion.
Good. Stallion Group of Companies.
Now I'm gonna get her now. Now I'm gonna get her.
That's okay. That's okay. You can start by opening the gate.
Okay. Look you.
Good. Thank you. Make sure you give it to your boss.
Okay, madam.
I did not have to.
That's what they do. The thing they do like that. Fine woman.
Hey, my guy.
Charles.
What's up?
I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You safe?
Yeah. So, what happened?
My brother, the man who was recruited before me was dropped.
How?
He was dropped for forgery. They found out that his certificate was forged. So they have to drop him immediately and ask me to start work tomorrow by 9 p.m.
Praise the living God. You know, I once told you that he doesn't share his glory with anyone.
Right.
Whenever everybody and everything has failed, God shows up.
God indeed is a good God.
Yes.
What he cannot do does not exist.
At all.
You know that the job came with a good car and a wonderful accommodation.
Oh my God. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hey.
My brother, I really have to thank you. I need to thank you. In fact, I thank you so much from my heart because you made it happen. You know, when all hope was lost, you gave me hope. You